Hi, I'm Jay with Family Handyman, and today I want to show you how I made this bench. For this project, I wanted something more than just a place to sit and take off my shoes. I wanted storage for my hats, my gloves, and anything else I needed on my way out the door. Let me show you how I did it. After cutting my 6/4 cherry to width, I glued the two pieces together using dowels and hide glue. I like using hide glue because I can clean it up with warm water even after it's dried. I made the drawer case using a folded miter technique. I burnished the packing tape to make sure glue didn't squeeze out the joint. I folded the box together and used clamping squares to ensure the box was perfectly square. Once the sides were glued together, I cut the back to size and attached it using pocket hole screws. I made a positioning jig for the pre-made legs so every corner would be exactly the same. And I attached the skirt boards using pocket hole screws. Setting back the case 1/2 inch from the edge, I attached it to the bench top using pocket hole screws. I made the drawers using pre-made drawer stock and pre-finished drawer bottoms I found at my local woodworking store. This saves me a lot of time and they look great. I then assembled the drawer boxes using pocket hole screws. I cut a 1/2 inch notch in the back of the drawer to accept the dovetail drawer slide. When gluing it in, I used a square to make sure it was perfectly straight. I found the center of the case and attached the lower drawer slide using 2 screws. I assembled the stretcher and upper drawer slide support and attached them to the case using pocket hole screws. I cut a spacer to help me position the upper drawer support perfectly. I use 1/8 inch spacers and a little hot melt glue to position my drawer faces perfectly before I screwed them to the drawer boxes. I finished it off with faux distressed drawer pulls and my cabinet was complete. So that's how I did it. And I think the solid cherry wood design really lends itself to that mid-century modern style. For more projects like this, visit FamilyHandyman.com.